Hey guys, it's Dana Dane here, and I had the awesome opportunity of attending the Barbershop Advanced screening thanks to Creme of Nature. They are the official hair care partners of this film, and of course I had to attend the event rocking perfect curls styled with the Creme of Nature line. So if you want to see these results of the twist and curl style I wore to the premiere, stick around, and I'll also show you guys a little more of the screening. So let's get started. I started off by washing my hair with the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Pure-Licious Co-Wash. I love this product. Although it's a co-wash, it still gently cleanses your hair, removes residue, all while hydrating the hair. It definitely left my 4C hair soft with little to no tangles. I'm fresh out the shower, and can we say shrinkage? Now I'm about to apply the Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner Spray. You gotta shake it up real good before you apply. What I love most about this leave-in is that it does two key things for the hair. It gives it strength and it gives it shine. It combines Argan Oil Liquid Shine and strengthening protein. These two elements will protect against damage and add moisture. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair to start the styling process. I start in the front of my hair and detangle using a wide tooth comb. It is key that your hair is fully tangle free before starting your twist. I apply a little bit more of the leave-in just to add more moisture while I detangle. Now for the star of the show, the Argan Oil Pudding Perfection. Oh my god, I love this stuff. This is what I'll be using on my twist. I start by applying the Pudding Perfection thoroughly throughout this first section, ensuring that all strands are coated with this goodness. And now for the fun part, the twisting. I start by splitting that section in half and twisting from root to end, ensuring that both parts stay smooth and tangle free. Once I get to my ends, I like to do a little coil around the ends. This makes for a smoother, knot-free end. Now I just complete that whole process throughout the rest of my head. So let me tell you guys why I love the Pudding Perfection. I honestly think this is my third jar of this stuff, actually. First off, it smells amazing and it always gives my hair a soft, flexible hold. This cream is formulated to eliminate frizz, shrinkage, and dryness. It is definitely one of my go-to stylers. Now once I get to the back of my neck, aka that kitchen, I like to coil that part because with my taper cut, my sides and back are short, so it's not long enough really to do the twist. So I like to coil that first two bottom sections of the back of my neck. My whole head is now finished. Now it's time for the rods. When adding the rods, I ensure each twist gets tightly twisted around each rod. I like the blue small rods because it gives my twist the perfect little spiral. So we have made it to the next day. My hair is completely dry, and now I'm just going to take out all my rods. Look at those curls. Yes, I love it. Soft and bouncy. Yes. Now I'm separating each section by gently untwisting. Once every twist and coil is separated, it is mandatory for me to lift my roots. I love my hair to have volume. Here are my finished results. I absolutely love how the pudding perfection gave me such a defined, shiny curl. And this is how I wore my hair to the Barbershop Advanced screening. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the movie Barbershop in theaters April 15th. And do like I did, rock your Creme of Nature style curls to the show. And look out for all of the Creme of Nature product cameos throughout the movie. Until next time, bye!